with the president today?
Well, we've come to brief Mr. President regarding the unfortunate incident of yesterday, wherein some criminals, bandits, we have gone to lay improvised explosive devices along the rail track, um, and so the passenger train was immobilized and 7 Nigerians were killed, 29 others were wounded, and some have been abducted. We are yet to establish the exact number. So we went to the scene this morning, inspected the entire episode, and gave out instructions as to what is to be done. And we have come to brief Mr. President on these developments. And so this is why we're here.
This attack is coming after some period of respite in the nation's security situation. What went wrong?
Well, certainly the challenge of insecurity is a constant one. And so the defense and security forces need to be on their tools 24/7. This is unfortunate. We believe that the lessons out of this is what we need to build upon going forward. I can perhaps use this opportunity to reassure the nation that, based on Mr. President's directive, that we will take every action necessary, so not just to apprehend those who are behind this dastardly act, but for them to also face justice. Going forward, certainly there will be a greater security for the nation, and I'd like to urge everyone to go about their normal duties. Thank you.